పార్లమెంట్ సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. రాజ్యసభ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Give me peace in the house and order in the house. I will allow you, no problem. Now, papers to be. Now, please. ठीक है. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri D.V. Sadananda Gowda.
To lay on the table of the house the paper mentioned against my name is at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Prakash Javadekar.
The house papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Rao Inderjit Singh.
Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
In permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Upendra Kushwaha.
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balia.
Sir, I beg to lay papers mentions against my name in today's revised list of business at serial number 7 on the table of the House.
Colonel Rajavardhan Singh Rathore.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 8 of today's revised list of business.
Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey. No. Dr. Subhash Rao Bamre.
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 10 in today's revised list of business.
Now, message from the Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 14th of December 2016 adopted a motion extending the time for presentation of the report of the Joint Committee of the Houses on the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement amendment second bill 2015 up to the last day of the budget session 2017 of Parliament.
Report of the Committee of Government Assurances. Sri Sadish Chandra Misra.
Sir, I rise to present the 70th report in English and Hindi of the Committee on Government Assurances.
Report of the Department Later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav. Dr. Vikas Mahate.
Present a copy each of the following reports in English and Hindi of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare. 1. 96 report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in 93rd report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 2016 and 17 of the Department of Health and Family Welfare. 2. 97th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 94th report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 16-17 of the Department of Health Research, and the 98th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 95th report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 2016-17 of the Ministry of Ayush.
Thank you. Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Human Resource Development. Dr. Satyanarayana Jaitya.
अध्यक्ष जी, मैं महिला एवं बाल विकास मंत्रालय के अनुदान मांगो 2016-2017
Table of the House.
बैठिए प्लीज। नो, ये क्या कर रहे हो? रखो कागज रखो।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदया,
तो शो एनीथिंग।
मैं आपके माध्यम से भारत सरकार के ऊर्जा मंत्री से ये जानना चाहता हूं कि आपके विभाग ने सौर शहर कार्यक्रम बहुत अच्छे ढंग से चलाए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारा सरकार का टारगेट सौर ऊर्जा 2022 तक 1 लाख मेगावाट ऊर्जा पैदा करने का लक्ष्य था, किंतु अभी तक वो लक्ष्य हम पूरा नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं कि ये लक्ष्य प्राप्ति के बीच में क्या क्या मुश्किलें आ रही, क्या क्या दिक्कतें।
1 मिनट minute. Mansukh bhai. Mansukh bhai, 1 minute please. ये पेपर लहराना मैं नहीं मानूंगी. This is very bad. No. ये क्या हो रहा है? पहली बात सुनिए, प्लीज प्लीज. ये पेपर लहराना कदापि ठीक नहीं है, ना इस साइड को ना इस, प्लीज इस साइड को भी नहीं. आप सभी किसी भी पक्ष के हो, जिम्मेदार सांसद हो, ये पेपर लहराना नहीं चाहिए. मैं फिर एक बार बता रही हूँ. आई एम सॉरी. नो, यू आर ऑल्सो डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. आई एम सॉरी. नो. House stand adjourned to meet again at 12 o'clock.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 21st report of for grants 1916-17 related to the Ministry of Textiles.
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rural Development. Sri Mahendra Singh Mahara.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध ग्रामीण विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 28वां, 29वां, 30वां और 31वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण में सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ.
Report of the Railway Convention Committee. Sri T. K. Rangarajan.
I rise to submit the reports on the Railway Convention Committee against my name, both English and Hindi. 9th report, 16th Lok Sabha, subject of consultancy engineering, and 10th report, 16th Lok Sabha, on the subject of scrap diesel system and railway relating to the Ministry of Railways. I'm laying on this book.
Statement of the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Srimati Vansukh Sain.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy of the statement, Hindi and English versions, showing final action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the first report, 16 Lok Sabha, of the Committee of the Welfare and Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes on the NTPC Limited.
Now statements by ministers. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
उपसभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली में मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध वक्तव्य क्रम संख्या 1 को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं. धन्यवाद.
Now Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balian.
Sir, I beg to lay the statement mentions against my name in today's revised list of business at serial number 2 on the table of the House.
Sri Y.S. Chowdhury.
Respected sir, with your permission, I beg to make a statement regarding on the status of implementation by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology on the recommendations contained in the 280th report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests, mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business. The present status of implementation is as per the statement which is laid on the table of the House. Thank you.
Colonel Rajavardhan Singh Rathore.
So thank you. So I rise to lay a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 23rd report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology. Detailed demands for grants 2016-17.
What happened?
Then again at serial number 8 and the minister's statement at serial number 4, which is the minister is making now. So there is discrimination between the two ministers. One is referred to as retired general, one is referred to as please educator.
So I rise to lay a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 23rd report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology on detailed demands for grants 2016-17 pertaining to the Ministry of Information Broadcasting, mentioned against my name at serial number 4 of today's revised list of business.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Now, Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, you can lay it. Yes, you can lay.
नौ पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ.
Okay, Gulana, see, I will allow all, but how silence? Listen, I will allow, then I will allow you. Yes, I remember. Yeah. आपका allow. Now, that is possible if all of you keep quiet. I have no problem. As long as what you say is parliamentary, I will allow. I will allow here also. Yeah, sit down. But listen also, them also, listen them. Yes. Yeah, Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. Ghulam Nabi Azad. No, Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. No. Don't display it. Don't display. No. It is not. Don't do it. No, don't do it. Say please. Don't do it. No. Please don't do it. I request the trustee benches, please go back. Don't display placards. These exhibits are not allowed. Against the rule, please go back. Please go back. No. Why? No, please. Treasury benches, please listen. You also. Treasury benches, please listen. I have given the floor to the LOP. Now listen, it is the tradition of the house. LOP and LOH will be heard in silence. Let us first do that. Go back to your seat. Let us see what he is saying. No. I allowed it. Yeah, please. I allowed it.
We have no problem, sir.
Yeah.
We have no problem. I am saying we have no problem, sir.
Yeah.
But what is the issue? The house must know, no?
I don't know. I don't know what is the issue. I also, Honorable Minister, please, Honorable Minister Venkayaji, I also don't know what is the issue, but the convention of the house is, if LOP wants to speak, we will allow. So I am doing that. Same is the case for LOH also. So I don't know what is the issue.
सर एलओपी बोले हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन करप्शन के कुएं से एक और कंकाल सामने आया है और करप्शन के कुएं से कांग्रेस का हर कंकाल देश के सामने आ रहा है। तो
My notice is under
No, in any case I allowed you.
क्या है उसकी कहानी?
Now in any case,
नहीं बताया।
no,
Have you given notice?
in any case I allowed you. Being LOP you can speak. Allow you. No, yes, your subject is, okay, Sri Venkayaji, yes, his subject is distress among farmers due to drought. His subject, yes, he has given notice. I didn't see it, sorry. Now please, Venkayaji, when you asked me the subject, in fact I didn't read it, the subject was here, but however, even if the subject is not given, LOP will be called. But now the subject is with me, I am telling you, the subject is, now please, the subject is distress among farmers due to drought, floods and demonetization. Is it? That is the subject. 267, that is the subject you are
Sir, my 237 is about the Kisans.
That is what I said.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Distress among farmers. Farmers and Kisan.
Flight of farmers. Flight of farmers.
Flight of farmers. Let us listen. Flight of farmers. Let us listen to that.
So this also should go on record that in this session, both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it is the ruling party which is disturbing the house. It is the ruling party which is disturbing the parliament to function. I think this should go on record. In both the houses, it is the ruling party which is not allowing the parliament to function. Let it go on record. Let it go on record. This is the first time in the history of India. This is first time in the history of India after independence that it is the ruling party which does not allow the house to function and which disturbs the proceedings of the house.
Baba, I allowed. Why are you? See, Naqviji, I allowed the LOP. Please ask your members to go back.
ये ऑनरेबल मेंबर केवल ये कह रहे हैं कि करप्शन के कुएं से कांग्रेस का एक और कंकाल निकला है, तो उस कंकाल का डीएनए क्या है? कंकाल का डीएनए करप्शन है, कंकाल का डीएनए भ्रष्टाचार है, कंकाल का डीएनए जो है वो जनधन की लूट है, तो उस पर हम ये चर्चा चाहते हैं और हर दिन ये बात सामने आ रही है।
नोटिस, गिव नोटिस,
इसलिए जो है
गिव नोटिस,
इसका जवाब कौन देगा?
ओके, गिव
अपोजिशन जो है
ठीक है,
कांग्रेस
गिव
पार्टी
नोटिस,
डिस्टर्ब कर रही है।
No.
सर सत्ता पक्ष नहीं, सत्ता पक्ष चर्चा चाहता है।
Lakshmi ji, please give notice. We will discuss that. Please give notice. Yeah, please. Why? No. Please go back. Yes, LOP, please. LOP, please. What can I do? You speak.
I can't speak in the den. Sir, I have given a notice and I need to be heard.
Why?
I have given a
I
notice.
am requesting the ruling party members, go back to your seat. I am requesting the opposition members, take your seat, go back.
Ruling party disturb.
No, please.
Ruling party
Go
parliament
back.
को चलने नहीं
You
देती.
go back. Left side, opposition, go back to the seat. Treasury members, please go back to the seat. Please go back. Don't do that, don't display cards. Yeah. Trinamool members, don't display cards. Please don't do that. सरकार इस हाउस को नहीं चलने दे रही है, ये बात और रिपोर्ट आएगी। प्रधानमंत्री बाहर कह रहा है कि हमको बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा। और पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के लोग हाउस नहीं चलने दे रहे। What can I do? Why should both sides create problem? I don't know. You give notice. We can discuss. What is the problem? You are very correct. What is the use of wasting my energy? Thank you. You are very correct. I think I will have to adjourn. Yes. See, Ghulam Nabi, you can speak. Why don't you speak?
ये किसान विरोधी सरकार है। मैंने जो नोटिस दिया है इनकी करप्शन पर चर्चा करने के लिए नहीं दी थी। मैंने नोटिस दिया है किसानों का कर्जा माफ करने के लिए, और ये सरकार वादा करती है लोगों से, किसानों से कि हम कर्जा माफ करते, और आज ये केंद्रीय बीजेपी की सरकार किसान विरोधी सरकार है। और हमने जो चेयर कैन डू क्या इस देश के किसानों का होना चाहिए उत्तर प्रदेश के किसानों ने मांग पत्र भरे थे। पंजाब के 34 लाख किसानों ने कर्जा माफ करने के लिए और फार्म भरे हैं, और वो बात यहाँ रूलिंग पार्टी नहीं करने देती है। किसान आज मर रहा है, उसकी सब्जी सड़ रही है, वो बीज बो नहीं रहा है, उसका धान की कीमत आधी हो गई है, आधी हो गई है।
Sri Yechuri, what is your problem?
और सरकार एनडीए की
I can't hear anything about I am simply because you
राज्यसभा
I can't hear anything.
दे रही है।
Yeah, I called you, you can't say. What can I do?
Otherwise, take some action. This is unprecedented. Nowhere ever has the ruling party French done this. This is something that is not acceptable. And
I can't hear Sri Yechuri.
I wanted to raise another important issue, which involves you also. There was a trivialization of the debate yesterday, including your name.
I can't hear. I will allow you again. I will allow you later. I can't hear. But nothing can be heard. Nothing can be heard. Yes? Nothing can be heard. 12:00 hours. Up to 12:00 hours. I allowed you. Being LOP, you can speak.